Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Natalie and I'm going to share with you my hair journey, and yeah, stay tuned. So today I'm going to do some front puff with some bangs on the front side, so let's get started. So after washing my hair, I will apply this leave-in conditioner from the Cantu Shea Butter, as you can see. Then I'm gonna rub it on my hand and try to apply it on my hair as I detangle. I don't use the brush because I feel it breaks my hair so much, so usually I use my hand to finger detangle it. It takes a little bit of time, but if you're in a rush, then maybe you have to use the brush, but you have to start brushing from the ends as you go down the cuticles. So that is it for the leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm gonna use the curling cream, which is the same Cantu curling cream, and this is coconut cream. I like it because it smells more like a coconut and it's giving those curly hair look. I'll just scoop a little bit, as you can see, and try to apply it on my hair. This is the curling cream. And last, I'm gonna apply this hair oil from the Natural Beauty Shop. And this oil, I like it because it has moringa, avocado, baobab, and olive oil as the ingredients. So this is it. I'm gonna take a few drops on my hand and rub it on my hair. And that is it for the first bunch of hair. On to the next one. That's it for the whole head. And now I'm gonna do some style. I'll try to pick some front parts. This is it, and I'm gonna make a big flat twist. You're going to need a brush and some raw shea butter because I'm evading the Eco Styler gel, so I'm gonna use this to lay my hair on the sides As you can see, I'm going to apply on the sides. Then I'm going to go in with the brush. You can see the shea butter is doing some justice on my hair. Next, I'm gonna use this stocking, which is some piece of stocking. I like it because it's so flexible and it doesn't tight your hair that much that you're feeling some headache or like your hair is pulled up that much. So that's why I use mostly the stocking other than the, or you can use whatever works for you. Puff is ready. Then we're gonna work with this front part. I'm using this coconut curling cream. Just a little bit. Then just scoop a little bit of the hair, like as thin as possible, and just go in with the curling cream with your finger as you finger coil it, as you can see. We're going to do the same process or the same steps with the rest of the hair. The final look of the hair after making all finger coils. So just to give this part shape, I'm gonna go in with these 2 bobby pins just to get the right shape, like it doesn't feel it's all over my face. So I'm gonna insert these on this side. And then the other one on this other side. But this is the final look, guys, and you can see, oh, the curls are so popping, as you can see, and the afro too is popping out. And that is it for today, guys. Until next time, see you, bye.